Hello everyone, I am back with another topic that is money and banking. This is only an introduction video for you all of money and banking system. Money, okay, what do you mean by money? Money we are habitually accepted as a mode of exchange. Nowadays we were habitually accepted for the mode of exchange of money. In simple terms, we can say that money is anything that is Money is anything that is generally accepted as a means of exchange and at the same time act as a measure in quantitative term, not in qualitative term. Okay, and money can also as an store of value. We can store the money for a long period of time. Okay, it is a store of value. But in economic exchange, without the conciliation of money, are we have known as barter system. Previously we have a barter system, we do not have a money for exchange of goods and services. What is the problem in barter system? That is presuming rather unlikely double coincidence. Okay, what do you mean by double coincidence? We can understand the double coincidence with an example. Suppose there is an individual who has an excessive amount of rice that he or she is not fortunate, that he or she wishes to trade for clothing. If she is not fortunate enough, he or she may be unable to find another person who has the absolute opposite clothing. Okay, to offer in exchange. So for the search of cost may become restrictive as the number of individuals goes on high. So the transaction, for the smooth transaction, the intermediate commodity is necessary, that is suitable and also acceptable for both the parties, for buyer also and for the seller also. And we have introduced as a commodity is known as money, such as money. So with the help of money, an individual can sell their products for money and use this money to buy the goods as they were needed. All through with the help of exchange is contemplated to be a primary role of money. It serves to another causes as well. Okay, next we see with the familiar with the banking system, also familiar with the banking system. Okay, what do you mean by banking? In simple terms, we can say that banking is a trade of accepting deposits and the bank lending money to the general public. It is also functionate the financial intermediaries like executive function, that for accepting deposit and lending loans to the public. In other words, we can say that money means banking means accepting for the cause of lending or investment of deposit of money from public outstanding on demand, and can be withdrawn by the check, by the draft order. Whenever they need or they demand, they can withdraw the money from the bank. This was all about the concept of money and banking. Next topic is what is money. Okay, we are already familiar with the money, meaning with money, that we had already discussed the exchange of goods and services. Okay, we can also say that money is purchasing power, whatever to be used for buying still to the other goods and services. What do you mean by purchasing power? If we having the money, we having purchasing power to buy the products from seller. It can also use the term of medium of exchange as an asset used to buy and sale of goods and services, and store value, an asset that is also storable value, and unit of account that is measurable in quantitative term, not in qualitative term. Okay, here we can see the last topic of this video is why is money is valuable. Whether money is valuable. Money is valuable because before the money functioning, we were having the barter system exchange, that is exceptionally though in a large economy, because of the high prices people would have to sustain looking for proper people. to exchange their excessive or surpluses. So the money is the best function was suitable unit for an account for exchange of commodities, goods and supplies. Okay, so the value of all the commodities and services can be expressed in monetary term, not in the barter system. So there is a problem of double coincidence. That's why we were introducing the next unit of for exchanging of goods and services for commodity, that is money. If the cost price of all goods goes up in monetary terms, there is a general rise of cost in price of degree the value of money in terms. Any good must have come down in the sense that is unit of money can now buy less of any good. We call it in declining or declining in the buying power of money. But in barter system has the another deficiencies, are so many deficiencies are there that to carry it forward once to the another barter system, assuming who you have an establishment of rights that do not wish to utilize entirely. Okay, so these are the problems facing by the barter system. That's why we were introducing here the money is too much valuable for us, that people may demand money because it reduces the cost of exchange. The purchasing power of money remains stable over time. Its supply must be limited. Okay, already discussed this point. I hope that this topic is as much as clear with you what is money and banking, why the money is valuable, meaning with the money and meaning with the banking.